Welcome back, guys and gals. All right, so this is a 2011 Ford F-150. This is an FX4 package. This truck has got just about everything you can imagine a truck could have. I know y'all been waiting to see a lot more of this truck. I'll show you around it today. You've got power folding mirrors, navigation, backup cam. It's got double protected interior and exterior components. So inside you got WeatherTech lining, and then in the back you've got not only a bed liner, but you got a rubber mat in the back as well. It's got just about 90,000 miles on it. It was a personally owned vehicle in the local area. A friend of ours is trying to sell it, so we're doing him a favor to kind of get it out there and get it known. That way we can sell that vehicle for him. It's a consignment. We do offer that program for many people in the local area. So if you got something special, but you want top dollar for it, we can certainly arrange that. This one's got black on black combination with the gunmetal wheels on the outside. It's an FX4. It's still got its original factory recommended Pirelli style tires on it, so the owner did their maintenance properly. It's been regularly maintained as far as oil changes, tire rotations, your seasonal checkups, stuff like that. This one's got Bluetooth. It's got the Ford Sync system. It's got trailer gain built in. Of course, four-wheel drive. I know you big hunters and off-road guys, you'll love that. It's got a piano black accent in the inside. There's no wood grain to see in this truck. I love the FX4 package for that. It's real sporty looking. But still real classy at the same time. This truck's got the bucket seats in the front. It's got the shifter on the floor, so it makes it easy to grab, and you don't have to worry about it around the steering wheel. I know a lot of guys that are transferring from the steering shift. They hop in this truck. You may be grabbing at nothing there, but you'll slowly get used to it. It's got remote start. It's got 2 sets of keys. Trying to think what else this thing has. It's got sunroof. I mean, just take a look around. It's a beautiful truck. I know you'll enjoy it. It does qualify for tough credit financing, but not so much on the low down payment spectrum. But I do have programs for everybody, and including excellent credit. If you do have excellent credit, you're above a 700 score, I can get you as low as 3.9% unsecured. So that means you don't need to give them the title to this truck. You can title it however you choose to. You can insure it however you like. Of course, being in this range, I'm sure you're going to want full coverage, but you have that option. So for well-qualified buyers, guys, we can go as long as 72, I think maybe even 84 months if you're really good. But that's just another option that we have here at the dealership. We've got financing for everybody. So enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and show you around the vehicle. Thanks for joining us. I appreciate it.